Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today's video is something very special. It's not the kind of regular strategies which you get, and it is nothing but ATF mentorship program. Come on, there were many of you who were asking to please start up this mentorship program, to please guide and please handhold and please take along with me. So finally, yes, I thought I'll make it official. You all know, many might already aware that we started off this program few months back, and then we were doing it on trial basis, and we were just waiting for the program to complete and just to see how was the feedback and how was the input, how was the results. So now finally we have decided to go ahead with it, and this is nothing but pure mentorship program where you will be guided how to trade in stock market. But basic must be necessary. You must be knowing the basic. I can't start with the basic, but my aim would be to guide and handle the people, those who are regularly doing trading in the stock market and are not able to make money consistently in the stock market. So as I told you, please, for people those who know the basic and those who are not able to consistently generate money in the stock market, for them this mentorship program is all about. So if you want to know more about this, want to get full details about this, how this program is structured, what all we will be covering, all those things, then stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full details. Also, there will be many who will be asking, then what is the difference between the regular guidance, the regular strategies which I'm providing? So what is the difference about those strategies, and what is the difference about this mentorship program? So friends, I have kept on telling you, and I also showed you, hope you remember this particular slide of mine. I have showed it to you many times, and I have also explained to you many times that trading strategy, or nothing but the trading system is just 20% of your success in trading. Okay, if at all you follow a strategy perfectly, only 20% of the time you will be successful. No, I meant to say it's only 20% part of your success. Remaining part is nothing but money management, which is almost greater than the strategy. It comes to almost 30%, and the remaining 50% is about the psychology, nothing but the discipline, the qualities which you have to inculcate. And trust me, nobody are born as a trader. Nobody gets this kind of psychology as soon as you are born. Many of them have to practice this, and it depends on how lucky you are. Some people are fortunate enough that by the time they've traded for 1 or 2 years, they'll be able to find out these kind of tactics and how to find how the correct kind of mentality, the kind of psychology required, and they'll be able to make money in the stock market. But some people might need others' help. They might need guidance, they might need support. So that is where this program is different from the strategies which I'm uploading regularly. So this mentorship program will be an hand-holding program where I'll be guiding you all. I'll be showing you how to do the strategy, how to execute the strategy, how to do the perfect money management, and also I'll be teaching you the winning psychology. So this is the difference between my regular strategies which I've kept on uploading, which I'll be uploading as well, and also the mentorship program. Now some people say that stock market trading is dangerous, okay, and then many of them quit, many of them stop trading. They brainwash others also. They say that don't go. And particular example which I would like to say is that I know many people, especially senior elders, those who talk to me over phone, those who call me for guidance, they say that I would not suggest trading to my son or to my daughter. The reason, because I have made lots of losses. All what I have saved has been lost in stock market, so I don't want my son to do the same mistake. But what I would say them is, teach the correct thing. You did a mistake, so you make them not to do the mistake. That is what you have to tell your son, or you have to tell your children, and then make them educate. Okay, so what I would say is that trading in anything without lack of knowledge is always dangerous. You do trading in anything, you buy a gold, or you buy a land, or you buy in stock market, or you do any bitcoins or currencies, or even say spices or clothes or anything, without the lack of knowledge you do is dangerous. It need not be stock market. But whereas when it comes to stock market, people expect returns from day one itself without learning the techniques or without learning the tactics. So that is something which is very, very wrong. And one thing which I would like to request everyone is, don't quit trading. Especially people those who are on the verge of quitting the trading, please, I would just recommend you, just try out this mentorship program, or just ask for my help, or I'm always there for guiding you and supporting you. But please give one more chance. Don't quit trading. The biggest challenge is they are not able to see the light at end of the tunnel. They're just seeing that the beginning of the tunnel is so dark, they're making losses, and they decide to quit trading. So I would recommend, don't quit trading. Give it a try. Do it once again, but with proper guidance, with proper mentor. Yes, so everyone needs a mentor. I also struggled my life. I also struggled my career when I started off with trading. There was no one to handhold me. It took a lot of time. Almost took 4 to 5 years time for me to come to a perfect level. All of you, those who have seen my journey, all those of you who have seen my ledgers, all those who have taken my guidance, all of you are aware of all these things. It took almost 5 years. Yes, I agree. And after 5 years, somehow by God's grace, I was able to make a perfect journey in stock market, and then almost now 10 years in stock market, and it is going very well, going fine by the help of God. And I would also say that everyone needs a mentor. So if at all you feel you need a mentor, and if you feel that I am the right eligible person, then you can always WhatsApp on my number 80958765 and register for this mentorship program. And what is that you're going to learn in this program? I am dividing it into 3 parts. First is I'll be teaching you one strategy, a simple strategy, because we both have to trade on the same platform. Mind you, we both will be trading on the same thing for a long time. So as I've told you many times, stick to a strategy for a long time. So all these things you'll be learning in this mentorship program. So in order to trade on the same levels, I'll be teaching you a strategy, and we will be trading it together for a long time. Say for example, we'll be associated for close to 1 year, and you will see the difference. Okay. And second most important part is I'll be teaching about money management, which is the most crucial part. I'll be teaching you a very powerful technique of money management. By using it, you can use it on any strategies, and you'll be able to make money in stock market. And third but not the least, the most important part, that is the trading discipline. Friends, this is something which you can't get in one day. That is why I told you, spend time with me. You can register for the program, and as I told you, it's lifelong mentorship. And I bet you, or I challenge you, that you will learn this trading discipline from me, or otherwise I would say that I will enforce it in you. I'll make sure that you get this trading discipline, and once you get grasp, or once you master these 3 parts, that is the strategy and this money management and the trading discipline, then there is no one who is going to stop you. Okay friends, so if at all you want further details about this, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also for people, those who have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe. Angel Trading Friend, you'll be getting lots of guidance and supports and strategies. On every Mondays I'll be uploading videos as well. And any other doubts, as I already told you, you can WhatsApp on my number as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.